not all rooms are the same. So every room is designed a little bit differently. So that's kind of what's exciting about, I guess, this hotel is like if you come back again, you're going to probably get like something different. And that's kind of like exciting to see what kind of room you're going to get next.
Hi, we're Crystal and Candy of Travel Pockets. We're sisters who are half American and half Japanese, and we love to travel the world in style.
We grew up as military brats, so we're used to moving from place to place. That's why we love traveling so much.
Dos, tres, cuatro.
I'm canoeing! We post videos weekly and would love for you to subscribe to our channel. Follow us along on all of our adventures. Welcome to our Kimpton De Witt room tour. We have stayed here a couple nights. This is our second night actually, and it's been a really lovely stay. We are in central location. Seriously, everything is around us. But we want to give you the room tour first. So as soon as you walk in, there is a coat rack to the left. It's nice to have that coat rack because this is a boutique hotel, so they have to, really squeeze in the room and create space as much as they can. So that was a nice thought. This is a very modern looking cabinet with some coffee and tea. I love this tin can. It's so cute. It has like character to it. It looks old school. And in here is the tea and coffee pods. They use Nespresso. Then in here is some more closet space. So they have a few hangers. They have an umbrella, an iron, and an ironing board. Up here, just some more storage space if you need it. Oh, also, I forgot, Kimpton always provides a yoga mat. So if you're into yoga, just be glad that they have a yoga mat because you can practice your yoga here. Because we were in Kimpton in London and they also had a yoga mat. We're like, that's kind of strange, but I guess it's their thing to put yoga mats in the room so you could, exercise and relax your mind. And then down here is a digital safe box. So you can put a good amount of stuff in there, keep safe. And they also have a fridge down below. Ouch. And they provide water. We really love that they use boxes for water instead of using plastic, trying to save the world. And if you want more water, they just keep on providing it to you. We just call a number and we say, hey, we want more water. And they bring it right up. The meeting came in like 2 minutes. So they're right on top of it with the water. Back here, more space where you can hang up some clothes or some jackets, coats, and you can hang up more things here if you want. There's like a rail, and they have these little cute, I don't know placeholders? Trays, yeah.
Hanging trays.
So I actually utilize this a lot. I would just put some random things on here because I have a lot of stuff that I bring with me, and I just like put it on every shelf or tray. Some more room, some drawers if you need to store some things in drawers. And they have some cool books. Down here, they have an Amsterdam book. I always like checking out hotel books. This one's pretty good. And we always love a full-length mirror because we need to check out our outfits, We need to make sure we're looking good or not funny. So always good to have a full-length mirror. We love that. We have a working desk station and a huge TV, some glasses if you want some water or wine, champagne, whatever floats your boat. Your working station could be here. There's a chair, a mirror, some more drawers here that you can utilize. And yeah, they have some plugs here that you can use as well. So they have 2 USB ports, 2 plugs. And this is actually a Bluetooth speaker. How cool is that? So at Kimpton Hotels, they always have a social hour. And because we had a social hour at Kimpton at London, and they also have a social hour here at the Kimpton in Amsterdam. So it goes on from 5 to 7 p.m. and you can get, each one of us can get a free drink. And I believe it's all-day cocktail bar, 1 voucher per room with a maximum of 1 drink per person. So I guess it's just not beer or wine. You can probably get any drink that you want, 1 per person. Whereas the one in Kimpton in London, it was all you can drink wine and beer. So I think it depends on which Kimpton hotel you go to, but they always have a social hour, so that's great.
All right, so there's a little bit more to show you. Of course, the beds. Everyone wants to know how comfy the beds are, and I will say, although it looks small compared to your American size bed, it's super comfy. I actually really like the pillows. I slept really well. This is probably the most comfortable one of the 3 hotels we stayed at during our whole trip from Amsterdam to Belgium. We stayed at 3 different hotels, and I really like this one the most. It's just, the comforter was really fluffy. The room temperature was perfect in here. And then, like I said, like the pillows. I'm big on pillows, so if I have a really nice comfy pillow, I sleep well. So thank you for making a really comfy bed. I really appreciate that this hotel has an outlet for each person. I don't know why, maybe I'm just spoiled, but I hate it when I have to share an outlet. You know, because nowadays we have so many digital devices that need to be charged, so we're always looking for an outlet. And then one person, you know, if we have to share, it's like you have to, like, you know, coordinate who gets to charge this first. Anyways, it eliminates all those problems. And also when you go to bed, you want to charge your phone, right? Most of us want to charge our phone or your Apple iWatch, or is it called Apple Watch? I forget what it's called.
Yes, it is.
But anyways, you know, and you want to put it next to you because it's also your alarm clock for most of us. Although they provide an alarm clock here if you don't use your phone as an alarm clock. But yeah, so I just love that they provide an outlet, and they also provide a USB outlet. That's another thing that I really appreciate newer hotels doing now. The great thing about USB ports is you don't need a converter. So even if you forgot to bring one, this hotel provides it for you. You can rent it or borrow it. I mean, it's free to borrow. But you know, just the hassle of calling the front desk and borrowing it, whatever makes things easy, you know, is best for me. So I just love it that they not only provide an outlet, but also a USB outlet. That's like, makes me so happy when I see that when I go to a hotel. So I should talk about the view. So we have a really nice view of Amsterdam. I mean, this is like downtown Amsterdam. So we basically see the tram going by. We see all the people. There's a restaurant, there's a burger house. I mean, there's just like whatever you can think of is like, everything is here. So we can just walk to get food, water. On our way here from Central Station, because we actually were able to walk from Central Station to our hotel. It was like a quick 5-minute walk. We walked by like so many alleys. We saw cheese, we saw souvenir shops, we even saw the red light district. Like there's just like, everything is around here. This is super, super central. And if we want to go a little bit further, we just walk outside our hotel and there's a tram station. Like there's several tram stations everywhere. So, oh, and another thing, if you want to get a tram pass, you can get it at the concierge. So that's what we did. We just asked the concierge if we can get a day pass. And I think it was like $8. Oh, I'm not sorry, €8. So that's convenient too. You don't have to go to the train station or purchase it anywhere else. You can just purchase it right here at the hotel at concierge. So this is the last little spot of the room, which is the reading nook. It's I actually like having spots like this because we do actually sometimes, if one of us is taking a shower, you know, while we're waiting our turn, like I like to sit here on my phone or read one of their books, which I really like their book selections here. Because they had one of the covers had like something about the Beatles from the 1960s, I think it was. Anyways, yeah, I really like that they have this little reading nook here. It's a really interesting side table. At first I thought it was a trash can, but it's not, it's a side table. Their designs in here, I mean, it's very modern, but it has like that hint of, it's got character too when they add stuff like this. I mean, even like their picture selections are interesting. And each room, not all rooms are the same. So every room is designed a little bit differently. So that's kind of what's exciting about, I guess, this hotel is like if you come back again, you're gonna probably get like something different, and that's kind of like exciting to see what kind of room you're gonna get next. So, and there is one more thing to show you. The bathroom, look at this door. I love this door. I'm into like these black doors like this. We stayed at a hotel in London. Oh, actually it was in Kimpton. The door was very similar. But look at this tile. This is so, when I walked in here, I was like, wow. I want a bathroom like this. The sink is really modern. I love how they provide a soap tray. I hate it when you get soap and you have to put it on the counter and it gets stuck and it's all gross. So I appreciate the soap tray. Another thing about this hotel is they try to be environmentally friendly. So they did eliminate the little bottles of shampoo and conditioner. Thank you. You know, we all want to take part in helping. So they have lotion here, and then in the shower, you know, the shampoo, body wash, and conditioner. The stuff smells really good. I washed my hair last night and it was lovely. It's the rain shower, but they also have a handheld shower if you need to use that. And I want to say, so when I took a shower last night and I came out and I looked in the mirror, this mirror heats up, so it never fogs up. So even though it's hot and misty in here, you're still gonna be able to see yourself and do your hair and makeup. But you know, they're smart about the space. There is limited counter space, so they did also provide space here on the mirror. So that's, that's cool that they thought about that. Oh, and I love that they provide outlets in here, because a lot of hotels, I don't know why, they don't provide outlets in the bathroom. If especially the ones where that comes with dryers already in the bathroom, they'll have one outlet for a shaver. So it's like they're only thinking about the guys, and I'm like, the girls, we use curling irons or flat irons, so we like to have an outlet for us. So I'm glad that they have an outlet for us, so I can, straighten my hair in here. And they provide little goodies, little things like cotton, Q-tips, and I'm not sure what this is. Oh, plastic bag, sanitary bag for us females. I think that's it. Oh yeah, so we're in Europe, so there's the big flush and the little flush. Plenty of towels. Chris and I only need one each, and then they also give you like a medium-sized towel, one each. And if you're wondering when the dryer is, this is where the dryer is. And I used the dryer last night. Very powerful, nice dryer. It doesn't leave your hair like you just burnt it. Some blow dryers are cheap, and it makes me really mad because it messes up my hair. So this is a nice blow dryer that they provide. And although it does look like it's very minimal, don't worry, they have a ton of things here. If there's something missing, like lip balm, they'll give you lip balm. They even give you deodorant, a humidifier. Maybe we should order that, Crystal. A humidifier. That's good for the winter so you don't catch a cold. We noticed this at the other Kimpton. They have a salon quality hair dryer, which I thought that hair dryer was pretty good. Now I'm kind of curious to try the salon quality one. Maybe I'll call them and see what it's like. But yes, so basically it just says, give us a ring and it'll be yours on loan or for the taking. Something not on this list, we'll grab it for you. So thanks, Kimpton. I love that you have a full list here of things that we may need.
So that's the room tour at Kimpton De Witt in Amsterdam. Central location, super awesome here. I also wanted to mention that we did have breakfast here downstairs, and they have a bar. So they have a bar, kind of like a little coffee station that has breakfast there too. And then they also have another restaurant that serves full meals. I felt like the middle part where they had like the coffee bar and juices, those are more like snacks or appetizers. And then if you go into the restaurant, you can get more of a full-size meal. They also have a breakfast buffet. I believe they said it was 24 euros. We actually just ordered a la carte and got some pancakes and eggs. Also, they are pet friendly here. We did hear some dogs earlier today in the lobby. They're very, very pet friendly at Kimpton. So if you want to bring your fur friend along, definitely do it. We wish we can bring our little babies with us, but it's a little hard to travel overseas with our dogs. So the people here were really, really great. They went above and beyond to make sure that we were happy. We wanted to switch rooms because we wanted more natural light. So they, made sure to make that happen. So I want to give a shout out to Edward. Edward, thank you so much for dealing with us. I know it was a lot of work to switch rooms for us. They're a very busy hotel here, so they have a lot of things going on, and they made sure that we got our room that we wanted, so thank you. Other than that, again, it's a great location, central to everything. There's a tram station right by, so you can go everywhere, and there's a supermarket in walking distance, tons of restaurants walking distance. The canals are nearby. I mean, seriously, like everything's here. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to watch more of our videos, please subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.